Good evening once more. So we're doing this ClickBank products. The thing with ClickBank, not happy, 60-day refund, no questions asked. So it's affiliate. I thought it was affiliate training kit. What it is kind of, I think it's called AF Income Training Kit or affiliate training kit. They mark it. There's two different names I noticed from YouTube. So we'll look at this. The only thing I don't really like about it, there's no sales video from what I can see. So I think it was in Warrior Plus. I think that really helps us understand the product. So it's good copy, it's good image of the product. It's showing it, even though these when you buy Windows, what is it? The security Norton comes in a box. It doesn't. It's not in a box. It's just a marketing strategy they use. If it was physical, that's the box. It's laptop and it's showing as phone tablets. It's showing it can be used in all different platforms. So create an instant. It's right away electrifying. It's you must have it. Surge. Electrocuted almost digital marketing style cash flow, cashing it in on the affiliate marketing craze. So it's a difficult industry, but once you learn it, like on YouTube, views, lead sales, no experience, no selling in less than 24 hours, you can be on there. So this is the either affiliate or creator. He is writing about it. So that my video is better because we see it and we hear it, and it's generally a couple of minutes. So reading it takes quite a lot to get through, um, to be honest. But inside the training, it seems to be a bit more simpler, step-by-step video training. So that's why that's the best reading information. Our mind's not really trained in that unless we're used to studying and things like that. So video is so much better. That's why Udemy, UDEMY sell a lot of courses because somebody's showing you how to do it. So step by step video training, and it tells you the modules in this training. I was going to give us a video. Let me shoot myself in the foot. But what is affiliate marketing? Warrior Plus overview. JVZ overview, which are platforms where you can sell products or find products to promote, and ClickBank is the same, and how to find the right products to promote, how to choose them, how to promote on these different platforms, how even in Amazon. So it's giving you a blueprint. And this is all the stuff going around what is affiliate marketing. Just skimming through it. 4 reasons why you should become a marketer. The best and high paid affiliate programs. It's going in quite a lot. To be honest, there's quite a lot of information. It would be nice if just a sales video, and it's talking about quota and different how to promote on YouTube. So it's going quite a lot. I'm not disputing the course, but that really should be 60 days. Sure when this site was done, but I think ClickBank it was 30, but it's now 60 days. Not sure if we can put that video on. It might YouTube might not like it in terms of the security. But if it's a sales video, it's different. If this was a lot more money, I would be wanting to do a lot more investigation because I've not got a sales video or not kind of seen it. To be honest, but I would probably try this. It is only $7, and it should really say 60-day guarantee. So this could be a good one. But we have a live business that you really have to check out, and that will be in the description. And I hope to see you there. Bye bye for now.